Positive release, is it normal or abnormal? Positive release, is it normal or abnormal? What is it? Yes. Remember release हमने recent discuss किया है, SNRP, sensory neural, normal is release positive. Okay, release positive is normal. So what is normal? AC more than BC. A is above, B is below, right? Air conduction more than the bone conduction, that is what is normal. So remember, positive release is AC more than BC. Okay, positive release is air conduction more than bone conduction. Okay. Next one, 45-year-old female, pain in the breast, tender string-like band, prominent veins, basically telling you ये है thrombophlebitis, which is Mondor's disease. Thrombophlebitis, which is Mondor's disease. Superficial thrombophlebitis of the breast, that is what is Mondor's disease. There is a string or band-like veins which are present. It is Mondor's. Okay, it is Mondor's disease. Correct. Next one, which of the following is most likely causative organism in acute appendicitis को mimicking कौन सा infection होता है? Yersinia enterocolitica. Okay, Yersinia mimics appendicitis. Always remember that. Yersinia mimics appendicitis. Very, very important. Okay, Yersinia mimics appendicitis. Which one mimics the hemoptysis? Pseudohemoptysis. Pseudohemoptysis is what organism? Yes. Mimicking appendicitis is Yersinia. Mimicking hemoptysis is very good. Correct, SLR. That is Serratia. Remember, Serratia produces red color pigment. So there is pseudohemoptysis. Okay, pseudohemoptysis. Serratia. Okay, that is Serratia. Balance sign is seen in splenic injury. What is the balance sign? The blood which is accumulating because of the splenic injury, subcapsular वगैरह, pericapsular area में, that gives the fixed position dullness in the left upper quadrant. That is what is balance sign. What is the other sign that you see in the splenic injury where there is pain in the left shoulder? Because of the diaphragmatic irritation, there is pain in the left shoulder. What is that sign called as? Yes, what is that sign called as when there is pain in the left shoulder? That is called as Kehr's sign. Okay, Kehr's sign is pain in left shoulder. Okay, pain in left shoulder is Kehr's sign, and the fixed position dullness in the left upper quadrant, that is the balance sign. Okay, do not confuse it with battle sign. Battle is behind the ear. Okay, middle cranial fossa के fracture में होता है. So that is battle sign. Okay, that is battle sign. Correct. Next one, in repair of incisional hernia, if the mesh is placed over the fascia after closing the defect, then what kind of repair is it? Onlay is on. That means over the fascia. If you are putting beneath the fascia, that is underlay. Okay. Inlay is you are placing the mesh in the defect. And what is sublay? Sublay मतलब सबसे नीचे. It is rectus muscle के भी नीचे. Rectus muscle के भी नीचे. So basically आप mesh कर रहे हो. Is it stuck? Yeah. So onlay. If it is beneath the fascia, it is underlay. Defect में डाल रहे हैं तो in the defect is inlay, और सबसे नीचे is sublay, which is rectus muscle के भी नीचे. Okay, rectus muscle के भी नीचे, that is sublay. What procedure is not considered in class 1? That is clean surgical site infection वाला classification. Breast, hernia, thyroid, all of these are clean. They are outside any tract. Okay. So cholecystectomy is clean, contaminated, the elective one. It is not a clean surgery. Thyroid, hernia, breast, that comes in clean. Okay, that comes in clean, but not cholecystectomy. Next one, patient with established focus of infection, raised temperature, heart rate, respiratory rate, leukocytosis, there is organ dysfunction, and there is hypoperfusion not responding to the inotropic support. What is it? Is it sepsis, severe sepsis, or septic shock? So what is the difference in between three, right? Remember, there is sepsis, severe sepsis, and septic shock. So sepsis is when the source is satisfied along with a confirmed infection source which is there. Severe sepsis means when there is end organ damage which is occurring. There can be hypotension here as well. Okay, so only hypotension does not classify as septic shock. For septic shock, it has to be persistent hypotension. That means in spite of giving fluid resuscitation, inotropic support, the hypotension is not resolving. It is persistent. Okay, it is persistent. So remember that septic shock is basically, the important term here is persistent. Severe sepsis is organ dysfunction. There can be blood pressure low as well. And what criteria do you have in SIRS? SIRS infection जब भी आप देखते हो तो क्या क्या देखोगे? Vitals, TPR plus WBC count. So there is temperature, pulse, that is heart rate, respiratory rate, and WBC count. It can be high, it can be low as well. Okay, it can be high, it can be low as well. Okay, so it is TPR plus it is WBC. Now, because you have your hypoperfusion not responding to inotropic support, that means this is something which is persistent hypotension. That is why this is septic shock. Okay, that is why this is septic shock. There is an infection, so definitely this is septic. Okay, so remember, this is septic shock. Okay. Glanzmann's disease. Remember, Glanzmann's is a defect in platelet. It is not RBC or neutrophil. What defect do you have in Glanzmann's? Platelet adhesion or platelet aggregation. Remember Glanzmann, G for G. It is a defect of platelet aggregation. GP 2B 3A defect होता है यहाँ पे. GP 2B 3A defect होता है यहाँ पे. Right? Aggregation वाला defect होता है in Glanzmann's. The history can be prolonged bleeding from the umbilical stump which is there. That is what you have in Glanzmann's. It is platelet aggregation defect. Platelet adhesion defect is Bernard-Solier. AD. Bernard-Solier is platelet adhesion defect. This is platelet aggregation defect. Okay, platelet aggregation defect. Next one, not a major manifestation of Jones criteria. What is major and what is minor in Jones? Remember, arthralgia is minor. What is major is polyarthritis, not arthralgia. Okay. So, Jones criteria हमने add किया यहाँ पे. Remember, CACES, CECES, carditis, arthritis, chorea, erythema marginatum, and subcutaneous nodules. Right. This is what is, you have the major manifestations. Okay, what erythema do you get here? Remember, it is marginatum. AR in acute rheumatic fever has erythema marginatum. Okay, erythema marginatum. Arthralgia is minor. Arthritis is major. Okay, arthralgia is minor. Arthritis is major. Fever, ESR, CRP, ECG, all this is minor. So remember, going back to the question, arthralgia is minor, arthritis is major. Subcutaneous nodules, carditis, chorea, all these are major criteria. Okay, all these are major criteria. Okay. Strain used in measles. Okay, remember in measles. Edmonston, Zagreb, Schwartz, right? ये सब जो है Edmonston, Zagreb, remember this is used in measles. Okay, EZ, Edmonston, Zagreb, Moratin, Schwartz, all this comes in measles. Okay, this is for measles. Salk is K, killed polio vaccine. So Sabin is live polio vaccine, that is OPV wala is live. Salk is killed. Okay, Salk is killed polio. Edmonston, Zagreb is measles. ठीक है। मम्स में कौन सा होता है स्ट्रेन? मम्स में कौन सा होता है? रिमेंबर मम्स jumps. Who keeps jumping? Tom and Jerry, right? Correct. So Gerald, Lynn, strain, that is what you have in mumps. Okay, that is what you have in mumps. Correct.